Zig Ziglar is quoted as saying, "If you aim at nothing, you will hit it every time." This is never more true than in education. When creating assessments that work in the classroom, you have to have a target. You must first determine the most important measurement topics to include in the assessment. This provides a more concrete target to guide every aspect of curriculum. People in the workforce have made it very clear that for students to succeed, they must develop and refine the 21st century skills. Many of these are grounded in what Marzano refers to as life skills. In addition to measurement topics which address the academic content, it's important to develop assessments for life skills. Concepts such as participation, work completion, behavior, group collaboration should all be integrated into the assessment. This method can be used at any level. Now, in the primary educational levels, measurement topics and assessments can be more concrete and simplistic. The varying assessment levels can include basic knowledge, skills, or processes. However, as the educational level increases, so should the complexity of both the measurement topics and the assessment tools. More abstract criteria as well as more complex processes can be included in the higher level measurement topics. When determining measurement topics, you must first begin with a standard. For this exercise, I'll be working with Standard 11.2 for reading informational texts. This standard states that students should examine a grade-appropriate informational text, provide an objective summary of the text, and determine two or more central ideas of a text and analyze their development over the course of a text, including how they interact and build on one another to provide a complex analysis. The first step of this process is deconstructing the standard and identifying skills contained in the standard. This particular one is very complex and has many different elements. So they first must be identified and then classified into categories. For this standard, the categories are summarizing, identifying themes, and analyzing how the themes develop and interact throughout a text. Once these groups have been developed, criterion for the specific groups must be identified. The levels of mastery are differentiated by elements such as accuracy, thorough explanation, and transferability. Once the criteria has been established, the various components should be used to create the measurement tool. Each differentiation level contains the elements of the standard. In addition to the content standards, an aspect of life skills should be integrated into the measurement tool. For this standard, the work process can also be assessed. When the steps are followed, what you have is an accurate measurement tool that will provide both you and your students with a clear and focused target. This will maximize the chance that they will achieve their greatest success.